guys, hello. So welcome again to my vlog. So for today's video, kain tayo ng mangga. It's mango with shrimp paste. Okay, let's go. Ayan, bagoong. Let's go. Let's eat. Tikman natin. Perfect. This is perfect, guys.
Kaini pa.
Sarap, diba?
Perfect.
Yan. Ayos mo. This is perfect.
Okay lang yan, no?
Wait lang, doon natin makuha yung mangga.
Pero kaya niyan.
Masyado nakasiksik yung mangga. Okay, let's go. Hulog pa.
Umalis sila? Umalis? Saan pupunta? Aming bilihan. Ang tagal naman nila.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.